Class, we're going to revise our paraphrases today. So let's look at the list of tools we use when we paraphrase and then look at an example. I'm also going to explain my color coding system so you see the examples in the models. So yesterday we were working on our paraphrases, and what does a good paraphrase do? It uses a lead-in of the source, and this is my orange. Most of us will need to revise to add this today. 2, we use synonyms, changing out different words from the passage and finding our own words. That's purple. 3, we change the order of ideas, but we don't change the meaning of the ideas. And most of you are already doing that. And then lastly, number 4, we change the syntax variety, the syntax structure. And that means our sentence style variety. Now, I show that in blue. So let's take a look at an example about fad diets. This is a passage, a perfect passage that one of the students found about their topic. And it's from NUHS. And it has a author, Dr. Glenn. And she is explained in the website. She wrote it. So this is a perfect source for the student's research paper, and this is a perfect passage that one could paraphrase. So I'm going to read the original passage and then my paraphrase. I'm going to talk about the colors and what I did. Original passage. Fad diets might consider key principles on nutrition, but fall short on the big picture of educating individuals on overall health benefits. Yes, calorie restrictions will likely lead to weight loss, just as much as consuming extra calories will lead to weight gain. So this passage is saying why fad diets fail, that just looking at calories isn't enough to have a healthy lifestyle. I've highlighted this word consider. This is when I'm going to use a synonym. I've highlighted in blue some sentence structure that I am going to change and find my own sentence structures to use. And I'm even going to walk you through this one and show you that I need to revise this. I'll revise it in the video. Okay, let's read my example. The NUHS's website reveals how fad diets are seen to be the most basic idea of changing one's weight, but emphasizes why these fad diets consistently fail. Less calories will lead to faster weight loss, and extra calories will lead to gaining more weight. But a person's health is better focused on nutritional content of food, not only calories. And then here's the author's last name and the parents. There's no page number, so I don't have a page number there. Here's what I did. In orange, I've included the website information. Most of you haven't done that in your paraphrases. You need to add that. That's our lead-in for our paraphrase. I've changed out the word consider to seen. Now I need to switch this. Notice my sentence structure is too close. They put but fall short on the big picture, and I put but emphasizes why these diets consistently fail. I've written my own idea as well, but I think I need to find a new way to say it. So I'm going to use however. And that's actually what the student did in her example. She used the semicolon, however, switching out the but, and it was a perfect way to do it. Down here, the just as much and the yes, you'll notice I changed this with my own syntax structure, so I've done that well there in blue. That is my example, and I want you to work on adding your orange, continue doing purple, and working on the blue, the syntax variety. That's the hardest part. It takes a lot of practice. Good luck.